Why don't I have a boyfriend?
What is reality?
Humans have always been seeking explanations for everything. This has led us to develop various theories on the different aspects of our universe. And there are now two dominant theories, the theory of the big and the theory of the small. The theory of the big, or the general theory of relativity, talks about the interaction between big things, planets, black holes, but most importantly gravity. Without matter, space is flat. But once matter is added, space begins to curve, like when you stand on a trampoline. And this curve causes everything to revolve around that matter. Meanwhile, quantum mechanics, or the theory of the small, deals with the study of all particles and forces except gravity. Think of this as arithmetic. Our digits would be the different particles and the operations would be the forces. The digits and the operations generate all numbers just like the particles and the forces generate all matter. Even though these two theories work great in their own domain, when they come together, the mathematics falls apart. There are extreme conditions where we need to deal with both small and large things, so we need a unification of these two theories. And there's only one woman for the job. The theory of everything. But this superhero has a secret identity that everyone's trying to find. And it's most likely to be string theory. String theory says that every particle is made out of a small vibrating string of energy. So imagine a guitar. When you pluck it, it vibrates and creates different notes. But when the strings in string theory vibrate, they don't produce different notes, but different particles. This concept became so popular that 5 different versions of string theory were developed. But even though they're different, they're just 5 ways of looking at the different parts of the same thing, which is M theory, the mother of all string theories. This theory says that there are other universes. Imagine the universe like a bubble. String theory says that there are other bubbles. These bubbles can collide or split in half. Some think that the Big Bang was caused by one of these collisions or separations of universes. But in order for strings to move the way they do, the mathematics say that there need to be 10 or 11 dimensions, but we can't see them because we only experience life through 3 dimensions of space. We're trying to prove the existence of extra dimensions with atom smashers. Here, they smash 2 protons together. The result is a shower of very small particles, and the hope is that among them lies a graviton, the particle of gravity. According to string theory, a graviton is surrounded by a closed string, which allows the particle and its energy to drift off into another dimension. If there's less energy after the collision, then there must be other dimensions because energy can't be created or destroyed, so it must have gone somewhere. There is no direct link about proving string theory will affect us, but if history has taught us something, is that it will. The general theory of relativity led to the GPS. Quantum physics is the heart of modern computers, but I'm talking about the theory of everything. Everything! So just imagine what it will bring to us. I know there are many unanswered questions, but it's up to us to figure them out.